So I decided to do a video on how I apply my false eyelashes because yeah, you guys seem to really want it so bad. So it's a highly requested video, so I thought I'd do it anyway. So yeah, I'm just going to show you what I use. I'm just going to take using these lashes. These are just some regular ones I got from a beauty store. This is the packet. There's some natural lashes. I got this from Pack Cosmetics, Finsbury Park, if you're wondering. And this is the code is 107. That's the number of it, and it looks like that. It's just sort of gets longer at the end. Normally you would apply your lashes after you've done your eyeliner. So the glue that I use, the adhesive, it's sort of rubbed off. It's the Eyelashes adhesive glue, which looks like that. Right now it's beginning to get a little bit clumpy, but it doesn't matter. I'm just going to apply some of the glue to the top of the lashes, which is the top there. If you've got black glue, it's probably a lot easier to use. I haven't been able to come across one, so I use the white ones, but they dry. You can always use your liner to go over it if you feel that you've got some, some white glue still, visible on your eyelid. So I'm just going to apply some of that to the top of the lash, which looks like that. Normally people would say wait for it to get tacky before you apply it, but for me, I am so impatient. I literally just put it on straight away and it works for me anyway. So I'm just gonna shake it. So I think it's ready now. Sometimes the lashes as well could be really long, so you have to also measure, how long you want your lashes to be. But these ones seem to be okay. So I'm just going to, I don't use tweezers or anything, I just use my fingers. I'm just going to place the lash right on top of my natural lashes, which you can't see, and just sort of let it sit. So I'm just gonna try and fit it like so. And just make sure it's sort of, if you've got long lashes, make sure you press your falsies with your natural one so they stick together like that. Just keep pressing it inwards to make sure it's actually stuck. You can even bend the lashes down to check if it's, secured to your lid, and to your lashes as well. So now, as you can see, it's sort of disrupted the line that I've drawn for my eyeliner. So I'm just going to go over it again with my liquid liner. I'm just sort of smoothing the line out a bit more. Right, so this is what it should look like. It's pretty simple. I did say that it's nothing different to what everybody else does on here, but I just thought I'd show you anyway. So make sure you just apply a bit of mascara to the bottom to make sure it's actually blended into your natural lashes. My natural lashes are literally all over the place, so just make sure that they're blended together. So there you go. So this is the finished eye. So I hope this was helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you in my next video. Bye.